In this lesson, we are going to complete the wheel part that we have here. I've gone ahead and added a circular cutout here by creating a circular sketch on this face and using the Cut Extrude feature, as you see here in the feature tree. What I'd like to do now is to replicate this hole using a circular pattern. If I expand this arrow under the linear pattern icon, you can see that SOLIDWORKS has quite a few ways of replicating geometry through its different pattern and mirror options. I'm not going to go through all of them here, but once you see the circular pattern, it should give you an idea of how the other tools behave. I'll go ahead and select it to bring up the Circular Pattern Property Manager. Under the Parameters box here at the top, SOLIDWORKS asks for the pattern axis. For a circular pattern, this can be a circular face, a circular edge, or even the axis of revolution that we used for creating the initial revolve feature. In this case, I'll just click this cylindrical face, and before I worry about the angle or the number of instances, I'd like to tell SOLIDWORKS what it is we're patterning, so that way we can see a preview as we adjust these values. When you work with the pattern, you're able to replicate features, individual faces, or entire bodies. In this case, we're going to be replicating just the feature, so I'll just click on the Cut Extrude feature, and you can see the preview updates right away. With the feature selected, I can much more simply adjust the instance value since the preview will update accordingly. Similar to what you saw a moment ago in the revolve lesson, you can also choose to adjust the angle value. I'll type in 270 degrees and press Enter. And here you can see that the pattern is only extended up through 270 degrees. Notice the equal spacing option here. If I uncheck the box and type in 15 degrees for the total angle value, you can see that I'm essentially replicating each instance within 15-degree increments from each other. I'll change the total angle value back to 360 degrees, and again check the equal spacing option so that all 12 instances are patterned equally about the entire 360-degree range. Once the preview looks like how I want it, I'll click the green check, and the circular pattern is added.